Hi everybody, welcome to Aussie's group again. And we're going to do a cue card one more for the day. And today's cue card is going to be a good law in your country. The topic of the cue card is describe a good law in your country. There are three sub points in it. What is that law? How did you come to know about it? And why do you think it is good? So again, I'm going to start at 30 seconds and stretch it till 2 minutes 30 seconds. The topic is a good law in my country. Okay. So a very good law in my country is the drink and drive rule. There is this law that states that a person cannot drive if he's drunk, if he's consumed any sort of alcohol or any sort of illegal drugs. So I believe this is the best law ever. The reason is I firstly came to know about it when I was learning driving, and my driving school instructor strictly warned me against it. He also told me the penalty. The penalty in my state is a direct jail and the confiscation of the driving license, which I feel is the ideal punishment for it. So what happens is many a times we see that there are a lot of hit and run cases in my country, and that is because at night people are drunk and they're under influence, and whenever somebody has consumed liquor, it is very obvious that a person cannot have a right judgment of things, and under such a scenario people tend to have accidents. Especially happens that people, when they are under influence, they tend to drive very fast, and there have been a lot of accidents because of it. And to avoid these accidents, this is a case. So it happened in my city a few years ago. This is a very famous case wherein a young boy was drunk. Young boy was around 25-30, and he was drunk, and he was moving, and he killed two people, two boys from school. The boys were hardly like in their 12th grade, and they lost their lives. So lives of the people are precious. So I really believe that people should be very responsible when they drive. And it is when a person is driving, it is the person's responsibility not only to drive safe to protect one's own life, but to protect others on road as well. So I believe this law is very useful. After this law was implemented in my state, the number of accidents has dramatically reduced, which I feel is a very, very good thing. And people are very aware, very conscious. If they've consumed any sort of liquor, they make sure that they don't drive. And hence, this is a very good law in my country.